started to make bedroom stuff. I feel like it was just a matter of time because I feel like Cozey has kind of been killing it in the home deco, home furniture space. If you didn't catch it on my Instagram, I actually got one of the new Cozey beds and I love it. This is what you're seeing in the room now. You've probably already seen it, but today we are actually doing a Cozey mattress review. Why a new mattress? I have had the same mattress for 7 years, like since I moved into this house, and quite frankly, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to change your mattress more often than that. I am trying to be more intentional about all the things in my life, as you know, and sleep is one of the biggest ones, mostly because we spend literally a third of our lives in bed. Or we should be. I just feel like these are the investments I'm trying to make in my life more. I have made some notes here because I have properly tested the mattress. We'll get into the specs of it, but I did sleep on it. I took the sheets off so you can actually see, and we'll go through all of this. A very big thank you to Cozey for helping to facilitate and partner with me on this video. As you all know, with all my reviews, thoughts are completely my own. These are none of their key messages, but we're gonna get down to the nitty-gritty of it all. So Cozey is not a mattress brand, but if you know, I have tested and tried so many of their products and all of their claims stand up. So I figured if there's a brand to try and a brand to test, this is going to be the one. This is the first kind of entrance into the mattress marketplace. It is a medium firm mattress. Some of the things that really piqued my interest is it has this advanced serene memory foam, and I've always been a little reluctant about memory foam mattresses. I typically like springs because typically I like super firm mattresses, but honestly my mattress before was super firm and I was starting to get neck problems from it, and I realized actually through a sleep therapist that because I am a multi-versatile sleeper in that I sleep on my back, on my side, on my belly, like I move a lot when I sleep, having a super firm mattress isn't necessarily the best mattress choice for me. So we are diversifying and trying new things. And the last reason is because obviously I got a Cozey bed. This bed is Gorgina. If you haven't seen my video on the bed, it is a modular bed and I cannot rave about it more because I haven't changed it up yet, but the covers on this bed are removable just like so many of the other Cozey items. You can wash them, you can change up the color. Like imagine I want this bed to be green right now, like I want it to have storage right now. You can customize all those things. So anyways, I figured a Cozey mattress for a Cozey bed. It's from the same company, so I feel like they would work well together. I didn't do this, but they also have bundle and save programs, so when you buy like a Cozey bed, you can actually save on the mattress. I don't know if they're still doing this, but they also have this offer where they give you like a free like bedding set if you got the two of them together. Let's start at the beginning. As always, installation, shipping. Like all Cozey things, this thing arrived fast to my door. They were so great. It was a little bit hard to get up my very narrow Toronto stairs, but it actually wasn't as heavy as I thought it was going to be. But once we got it in, that was all on me, baby. So I installed this all on my own and it was actually really easy. The box came with all of the instructions. You literally just opened it up. You put it down, rolled up where it was like still manageable. And then they actually even gave you a box cutter, which I felt like was so thoughtful. You didn't even need to use your own like X-Acto knife, which I did bring with me, but I think having something like that is such a thoughtful touch because you really don't need anything else except for what's in the box. And after that, I literally just had to roll it out and wait for it to expand. So you are supposed to wait 24 to 48 hours for the mattress to fully expand. So shipping, installation, super simple, super hassle-free, big plus, because as you know with furniture, it can go so wrong with just like installation and shipping. Let's talk about the Firmness now. The elephant in the room. The pièce de résistance. Okay friends, if I'm being really honest, I was so nervous because especially as being East Asian, you're told you must sleep on a rock. It must be hard like a rock, your pillow like a rock. So having a medium firm mattress, especially one that was memory foam, I was like, your girl's gonna have back problems now because it's too soft. But I put that intrusive thought aside and properly tested this mattress. So it's been 2 weeks now, and so my thoughts are coming after 2 full weeks of sleeping on this mattress. And I was wrong about it, but let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, it is memory foam, so it's got medium firmness to it, and it does have bounce. The reason this is actually really good is because I think it actually fits most sleepers much better than like a super soft or super firm mattress. So having something in the middle is actually best for most sleepers, and that's something I'm starting to realize, because let me show you in real life. You're sleeping on your back, you're properly supported. And this would be good for a firm mattress too, right? But when you roll on your side, which I do, what happens if it's a really firm mattress is your shoulder ends up getting pushed in, and I have a lot of these like neck issues. So having this has actually helped a lot of my neck issues, I feel like, because it's giving me support whilst still not pushing back up against my shoulder where it needs to like crunch in. This is one of the best benefits I've actually noticed from transitioning to this mattress. And if we want to get into the nitty-gritties of their construction, there's actually 3 memory foam layers to this mattress. And from a science engineering point of view, it actually supports your spinal curve to give you like a more stable support system. I feel like I am, and my body is more supported overall in a mattress like this, rather than like just a super firm mattress which I feel like was only really good when I slept on my back. Next thing is cooling, which I think is really interesting because this mattress has a cooling element to it. They have their own serene foam technology, which is basically a cooling like technology that keeps the mattress from like retaining heat. Traditional memory foam is not temperature sensitive, which I think is really interesting because, as you know, we sleep better in cooler environments, and as mentioned, I'm trying to elevate my sleep, and sleeping in a cooler environment for sure, anecdotally, I have found to be a lot better. Now, it doesn't have like a cooling gel or anything to it, so I don't know how it kind of stays cool, and obviously the sheets that you use are also really important, but I love that they've thought of this and that this mattress has that technology built in and that it challenges what traditional memory foam mattresses are doing. Let's talk about price next. Mattresses are certainly investments, but this one is actually very, very reasonably priced in my opinion. So the queen size mattress was $695. I did look at other reviews as well, which I would also urge you to, and despite being a fairly new product, it has actually a lot of amazing reviews. We do that before making any investments. The other thing to note about price is that they're also made in Canada, which I don't know about you, but I don't know, I feel better sometimes making a bigger investment when I know that it's contributing to like our Canadian economies. A few other things to note is that it has a 15-year warranty, which is very great in my opinion, especially for a mattress. And the other thing is that they do have a 100-night free trial. So listen, I'm only a couple of weeks in and I really do love it so far, but in 100 nights, I feel like it just means the company stands behind their products, and I feel like that's why the reviews are so good, because it is actually a great product. So these things I find are typically signs to look for when you're looking for something great. So all in all, my review of this mattress is that it changed my perspective on medium firm mattresses and not needing a super firm mattress in my life. I feel like my shoulders and my back are more well-roundedly taken care of. And listen, I was super hesitant about a medium firm mattress, and quite frankly, I didn't even know I was going to do this review until I slept on it and I was like, oh, medium firm mattresses, but specifically this medium firm mattress. I also feel like it's a really great affordable mattress option. Obviously there are cheaper ones, obviously there are more expensive ones, but just Cozey's ethos in general, I feel like after having bought, used, tried, loved so many of their products, is that they are very fairly priced. I obviously love that it's made in Canada, but I also love the technology that they put behind this, like the serene cooling. I love that. The 3 layers of memory foam I feel like is probably what gives this mattress a little bit of an edge over other memory foam mattresses. And obviously like the whole process of getting a new Cozey item into your home just felt so seamless. And that makes a big difference for me in terms of like whether or not I like something. I will circle back on my full like 100-day trial review of the mattress. If you are looking for a mattress, this is definitely, I think, one to test. I'm wondering if they have them in their showrooms, and they probably do, so that you can go and feel it. If you haven't checked out Cozey Bedding, you have to, because honestly I'm pinching myself, and every single time I go onto their website I'm like, should I change it up with a new cover? I love doing these sort of reviews, especially for Cozey items, because quite frankly most of my furniture in my house is from Cozey, and I really stand by their products. I feel like they are so great, and I love that there are disruptors in the space, which is why like I love working with them so much. So if you have any questions about Cozey, this mattress in particular, or anything else, let me know. As always, my friends, so nice to hang out with you as always. I feel like we have a lot of really exciting home things coming up, so stay tuned for that. But with that, I hope you have an inspiring rest of your day. Remember that kindness doesn't cost a thing, and I'm gonna take a nap now. Bye! Honestly, there's nothing better than being in your bed.